Hey guys, Bullish Breed with a daily recap. Today was not that great of a day. Still ended the week green, but I took two losses on the day, and let me take you through them. So my first trade came a little bit earlier than the open. I saw this area right here that I thought would be a nice demand area of support. So as we were pushing into the open, I got along at this 4.522, and we got a small push up, 4.526, about 4 points. I didn't take it off. I thought, maybe it's got some room up to this, 4.29, 4.530 area. So I wanted to hold out. I figured I got a really good fill, and I wanted to push it. Ended up taking a loss on it. Pushed down, stopped me out. I was like, okay, we're definitely rejecting this area right here. So on the next push up, I'm going to get short. So the next push up, I got short at 4.519. So, not the best fill. My stop was 5 points, so it put it just above this resistance area that was support. So immediately in the next 15 minutes, we get a nice push down. Again, I was up 4 points. Didn't take it off. I wanted lows, right? That would have put me over 5 points, 6 points. I just wanted to get, if I was going to lose 5 points on one trade and my risk was five, I wanted to at least get 6, 7 points. So, it starts making its way back up. This area again is going to be resistance. It doesn't break up. Push down, consolidate, and then we get this big push down. It goes down to 4.512. I had my sell order out at 4.512. It hit 4.512.75. So it got really close. I was about less than a point away from getting out of this trade. I could have moved my stop break even. I didn't end up doing that. I pushed today completely. I knew I had some profits on the week. I knew that two losses today wasn't going to put me in the red. And, it looked weak. I knew that we had this 4,500 area of support. I mean, honestly, I guess it bounced off of this area. To me, that doesn't look that strong, but, it is what it is. I wanted it to come up, retest this area, and then flush back down to 4,500. It didn't end up doing that. It swept the lows and then pushed back up and stopped me out up here. But a couple things that I did right. I followed my plan. I had a 5 point stop on both trades. Two losses a day. That's when I stopped. I didn't go on tilt. And, a win's a win. The only thing I could have done differently was just take off that second trade at 6 points. And, I would have been up still in the day. But, I pushed it, paid for it. It's okay in my book because I need the week green. And, I'm learning as I go through this. I'm learning how to get better with these trades. And, I'm just really happy on my execution. For a long time, a bunch of my issues with trading were that I would move my stop, I would overtrade, I'd revenge trade, I'd go on tilt, and I haven't been going on tilt. It's a green week. I'm pumped. So, you guys have a great weekend.